Happy Wednesday again. Oh, and it's gonna be a beautiful day. Okay, right. Okay, so it's busy. We're still tidying up in the new workshop, and I just wanted to show you a few bits. I won't show you the floor because it's still a little bit crazy here for the next 2 or 3 days until we get straight. But anyway, what I have got here. Okay, so this is for an order. This is a large quantity of Cisco 867 V8 EK9s that we're refurbishing for a new customer. I hope he likes them because he wanted to pay a certain price point, and I persuaded him that we don't supply just used equipment. We supply refurbished, costs a little bit extra, but what he's going to get is that those have all been resprayed. They've got the correct power supply in there. They've all been tested, fully working. They're in a nice little clean box. And yeah, so hopefully he will be happy with his first order. But what I just wanted to show you was a couple of other interesting bits that come in that you might not have seen before. So we've got a classic Cisco Nexus 3064X. Now this one has the LAN Enterprise license enabled already. And I just want to pan over there. Look at that. That is what you call high quality refurbishing. And yeah, so that is going into a data center in London tomorrow. And we've also got something that I've not seen before, and it is a Juniper switch. Sorry, I forgot to say it. So what you've got there is 48 port SFPs in there, and then you've got 4 QSFP ports. What you've got here is you've got a 32 port QSFP switch. So that's front to back airflow. So that's a port intake, exhaust out the back. But yeah, and again, Juniper, look, I like when they put the logo in the lids on these. There you go, look at that. I think Juniper would be proud of that as well. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. And all we need to do is put some rackies on that, because that one comes to default by rackies. You can have rail kits with it, but that's an optional extra. We like to supply everything default as so that people know what to expect. Look, there's the rack kits in there, look, for it. But anyway, that's enough for today. Some more coming tomorrow. Gotta go. See you. Bye.